Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Prakriti Pavani's modern fashion choices reveal a seamless blend of elegance, confidence, and a bold, experimental edge that resonates with today's style icons. Known for her stunningly curated wardrobe, her style reflects a modern aesthetic that's equal parts chic and sophisticated, making her a standout in the fashion world. One of her most captivating looks is her choice of statement dresses that combine contemporary cuts with classic appeal. In addition to dresses, the beauty embraces jumpsuits as a modern twist on traditional attire. Her jumpsuit selections frequently feature unique designs, like asymmetric cuts, deep V-necks, and even tailored belted waists that accentuate her form, adding a touch of bold femininity. She pairs these looks with minimalistic accessories, a trend-setting choice that aligns perfectly with modern style norms. Her footwear selections are equally refined, with a preference for pointed heels, sleek ankle boots, and strappy sandals that complete her outfits with a touch of sophistication. Prakriti's casual choices also highlight her modern fashion sense. She gravitates towards high-waisted jeans, often pairing them with fitted crop tops or loose, oversized blouses that create a balance between structure and comfort. Layered necklaces and hoops are her go-to accessories for such outfits, adding just the right amount of glam to her otherwise laid-back look. She further embraces contemporary street style with monochromatic outfits, especially in neutral tones, creating an understated yet impactful statement. Another striking feature of her fashion choices is her keen eye for detail, especially in outerwear and layering. She often incorporates tailored blazers, oversized jackets, or long trench coats into her outfits, allowing her to mix and match various pieces effortlessly. For evening wear, the beauty leans towards elegant gowns with modern twists, think backless designs, side slits, or high-low hemlines that make her stand out on any red carpet or social event. Her makeup and hairstyle choices, whether it's a bold red lip paired with soft waves or natural makeup with a sleek bun, enhance her modern appeal without overpowering her outfits. From elegant evening gowns to chic street style, Prakriti Pavani's modern fashion choices speak volumes about her personality. She carries herself with an aura of confidence, showing that she's not afraid to experiment while staying true to her sophisticated style. Her wardrobe choices reflect the trends of today's fashion landscape, making her a true style icon for modern-day fashionistas. She embraces contemporary fashion with a strong sense of individuality, showcasing her personality through each ensemble. A key aspect of her style is her penchant for mix-and-match fashion, where she effortlessly combines designer pieces with streetwear essentials, giving her outfits a balanced and highly relatable feel. Her collection of accessories speaks to her modern sensibility as well. She's often seen with minimalist, gold-toned jewelry pieces, delicate bracelets, stacking rings, and subtle chokers that add a refined touch without overwhelming her look. One of the defining elements of Prakriti's modern wardrobe is her use of textures and fabrics. She has a clear affinity for rich fabrics like satin, silk, and velvet, which lend a luxurious feel to her looks. She often chooses satin slip dresses or silk blouses, pairing them with tailored pants or even casual jeans to create a striking contrast. Her ability to experiment with these rich textures in everyday wear makes her style both aspirational and achievable. Her fondness for layering different textures, like pairing leather jackets with knit tops or denim skirts, highlights her intuitive sense of style and her knack for elevating simple outfits. Her love for power suits is another standout feature of her wardrobe. She embraces tailored pantsuits in vibrant colors like emerald green, deep plum, or classic white, which enhance her powerful and confident persona. Her suit choices frequently feature sharp cuts and tailored fits that highlight her frame, giving her a sophisticated, high-fashion look. These bold suits not only make her look poised and assertive but also add an element of empowerment to her fashion repertoire. In terms of footwear, her modern fashion includes a selection that ranges from sleek stilettos to trendy chunky sneakers, showcasing her versatile approach. For dressier occasions, she opts for pointed toe heels and elegant pumps, while her casual looks often feature on-trend sneakers or ankle boots, which add a touch of urban flair. The variety in her footwear choices reflects her ability to seamlessly transition between high fashion and everyday comfort, making her style both inspirational and accessible. Her beauty and makeup choices further enhance her modern aesthetic, often leaning towards natural tones with a subtle hint of glam. The beauty is known for her glowing skin, which she pairs with neutral eyeshadow and a soft nude or pink lip color for a fresh, polished look. Her hairstyles also complement her modern vibe, as she frequently opts for sleek straight hair, loose waves, or trendy updos that add elegance and sophistication to her overall look. Her approach to modern fashion is truly inspiring because it's grounded in both elegance and a fearlessness to experiment. She represents a balanced, thoughtful blend of classic pieces and current trends, making her style one that resonates deeply with those who admire a refined yet approachable look. Her choices reflect a deep understanding of fashion, where every piece, accessory, and beauty element is carefully curated to exude confidence and poise. Her fashion sense encourages others to embrace a modern aesthetic that's as practical as it is stylish, embodying the essence of contemporary fashion with grace and authenticity. For casual days, she often gravitates towards athleisure wear with a polished twist, pairing high-waisted leggings with cropped hoodies or oversized sweatshirts, often layered with trendy bomber jackets or sleek puffer vests. Her casual outfits combine functionality with a chic edge, showing that comfort can coexist with sophistication in modern fashion. One of her signature casual looks includes oversized graphic tees styled with biker shorts or joggers, a nod to urban street style that she makes her own by adding accessories like baseball caps, chunky sneakers, and crossbody bags. Even in these laid-back outfits, Prakriti's attention to detail is apparent, as she plays with monochrome palettes or contrasting colors to bring dimension to her look. Her off-duty fashion choices often exude an effortlessly cool vibe, demonstrating that she's just as comfortable in athleisure as she is in formal wear. Another distinctive element of Prakriti's modern fashion is her ability to embrace seasonal trends while maintaining a timeless appeal. She's not one to shy away from incorporating bold patterns or seasonal colors, whether it's earthy tones for autumn or pastels in the spring. Her fall wardrobe is particularly notable for its blend of cozy knits, leather jackets, and tailored coats in rich colors like burgundy, olive green, and charcoal. For spring and summer, she embraces floral prints, light linen dresses, and airy blouses, embodying the freshness of each season while maintaining her signature elegance. Accessories play a pivotal role in defining her seasonal looks. For autumn, she often complements her outfits with stylish scarves, fedora hats, and leather gloves, while in the summer, she's seen in wide brim hats, straw bags, and dainty layered necklaces that capture the essence of warm weather style. She also has a unique approach to sunglasses, preferring oversized or cat eye shapes that add a retro touch to her modern ensembles. In her evening wear, the beauty often opts for bold and glamorous silhouettes that showcase her confidence and sense of sophistication. She's known to wear body-hugging dresses with asymmetrical designs, off-the-shoulder cuts, and backless details that enhance her elegance and make a powerful statement. These dresses are typically in luxurious fabrics like velvet, silk, or sequins, adding an extra layer of drama suitable for evening events. She pairs these show-stopping outfits with high heels and metallic jewelry, creating an aura of classic glamour with a modern twist. Her evening looks are carefully chosen to highlight her best features, with an emphasis on form-fitting cuts that radiate elegance and poise. In addition to gowns and dresses, Prakriti occasionally explores edgy evening wear, such as pantsuits with plunging necklines or fitted jumpsuits with intricate embroidery, which challenge traditional norms and add a bold twist to her evening attire. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.